am going to break my parents' alarm clock so that they forget that they need to go to work. Ha 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 ha. Yes. Bingo. I found my parents' alarm clock. I am going to break it. All right. Now to run away before I get caught.
The next morning.
Good morning, Moira.
Good morning, Dave. How was your sleep?
It was great. Oh, my phone is ringing. I wonder who it is. Hello, Miss Green. How can I help you?
Dave, you and your wife are late for work.
What? This can't be. Our alarm clock wasn't working. This was a misunderstanding.
I don't care. If this happens again, then you are fired.
Moira, I just got a call from Miss Green. She told me that we are late for work.
What? That's impossible. We always wake up at the right time to get ready for work.
Wait a minute. I know how this happened. It was Shadow Queen Merelda. She broke our alarm clock and caused us to be late for work. Shadow Queen Merelda, get over here, right now.
Oh my gosh, did I just hear what you said?
Yes! It was all Shadow Queen Merelda's fault. She was the one who broke our alarm clock and caused us to be late for work.
Well, in that case, your absence is excused. It's your daughter's fault. Goodbye.
Shadow Queen Merelda, were you the one who broke our alarm clock and caused us to be late for work?
Yes, I broke your alarm clock and caused you to be late for work.
Shadow Queen Merelda, how dare you break our alarm clock? Now we are late for work. Thanks to you.
That's it. You are grounded for 638 decades. Go to your room right now.
Wow.